The physical world is complex, and for people with limited or no sight, environments can be difficult to explore or even inaccessible. Lookout from Google is an Android app that helps people with visual impairments better engage with their surroundings. The app uses your phone's camera to read text, find objects, and more. Start by downloading Lookout from the Play Store. To use the app, say, "Hey Google, open Lookout." You can also tap the Lookout icon on your home screen. The first time you open Lookout, follow the prompts on your screen and review tips for getting the most out of the app. When you begin using Lookout, hold your device so the camera is facing away from you. Try using text mode and pointing Lookout at a package on your desk, or select Explore mode and point your device at a nearby cup. Lookout will detect whatever's in the camera's frame and describe it to you.
Mug.
When you start off, move your phone's camera slowly so it can scan the area and you can get a feel for how the app works.
Banana.
If you want Lookout to stop describing something, turn off the camera by tapping the Turn Camera Off button in the lower left corner of the screen. For someone with little or no sight, Lookout pairs with Talkback Screen Reader. Talkback speaks what is on your touchscreen's interface, allowing you to navigate your phone more efficiently.
Text mode.
Lookout can be used in a variety of situations. Imagine you're at home deciding what to eat for dinner. You could use currency mode to see if you have enough cash to order takeout, or use food label mode to explore what's in your pantry. Food label mode detects both barcodes and labels, so it's best to hold the product label in front of your camera and then slowly rotate the package you're holding. If you need to sort through your mail, use Lookout's text mode. With text mode, you can point your camera at shorter text, like mail labels or signs, and Lookout will read it. To read a full page, switch to Lookout's document mode. From there, Lookout may prompt you to move closer to the document or guide you to change your camera angle to help capture a better photo. Document mode also works with handwritten text, so the next time you receive a birthday card or postcard from a friend, simply hold your camera over the note and Lookout will read the message out loud.
Happy birthday.
Whether you're at home or on the go, Lookout makes the world more discoverable and easier to navigate. Download Lookout by Google in the Play Store, or just type goo.gle/lookout into your browser.